Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. Let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them, and here we have to scroll down to find the system. Now let's localize the backup option. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to this Add a Google Account section. If you've got your Google account currently added, you will have to simply choose it from the list. If not, you have to add it right now. So let's tap on Add Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required for this operation. In this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And then tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Let's tap on Next. Okay, something went wrong. Let me try again. Quickly. Okay, as you can see, there was something wrong with that, but now we've got it. So after entering the password, you will see this screen where you can check the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. So of course you can tap on it and read it if you want to, and I highly recommend to do that. And then tap on I agree. Sorry. And here we've got the information about the backup, so you're able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on Turn On. And right here we've got our backup section, so basically we can manage the storage, we can check how much space we've got left, and of course remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, and the advanced settings. And to be honest, I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so you can be sure that you will avoid some charges which may apply if you're using your mobile data to backup. So to finish everything, just tap on Backup now, and as you can see, your device is backing up your data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.